Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Buildium app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Buildium is a property management app designed for landlords and property managers to streamline their daily operations. Through this app, users can handle rent collection, maintenance requests, financial tracking, lease management, and communication with tenants, all from one dashboard. It's also equipped with features like online payments, document storage, task assignments, and accounting tools. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The Buildium app is appreciated for its robust functionality and clean layout. Property managers find it efficient for tracking rental income and managing tenant interactions. Many users report that automating tasks like recurring rent reminders and maintenance ticketing saves a lot of time. It also syncs well with accounting reports and provides clear insights into property performance. However, there are some concerns. Some users mention that the mobile app can feel limited compared to the web version, especially for advanced accounting or reporting features. Others have experienced login glitches or occasional crashes during updates. Additionally, the learning curve can be steep for first-time users who aren't familiar with property management software. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Buildium is worth using if you're a landlord or property manager looking for an all-in-one solution to manage your properties. It's packed with features that support professional property management. Just be prepared for a slight learning curve and occasional limitations in the mobile experience. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.